Hi everybody, this is Elroy. He is a 6-year-old lab mix who came to us because his owner no longer had time to give him. He's a very nice dog. He has a great personality, very laid back. He's a really good temperament. He would do well at any type of family, kids, adults, other dogs, probably cats. We're a little bit concerned because Elroy is well, not just a little bit. He's largely overweight, and it is really not good for their health to be this size. It's bad for their hips. It's bad for their joints. It's bad for their mental well-being because he wants to be with you and he wants to go for long walks and he wants to, hang out outside, but he gets tired very easy, and it's really kind of sad for Elroy. So Elroy is on a exercise plan here. He gets out 5 or 6 times a day. Don't eat that bee. He gets out 5 or 6 times a day for really short walks, maybe just 5-minute walks. And that's to keep his joints limber. It's to keep him moving, but not really tire him out too much. He's also on a restricted diet. Gets light food and only twice a day, and no treats unless they're carrots. And he's also on glucosamine.
There you go, buddy.
All these things, are really easy if you're considering adopting him. Taking him for short walks is no big deal, and the glucosamine is really only about $10 or $12 for a month's worth. So it's really no big deal. It's not like it's any huge extra effort or expense to adopt Elroy. But we definitely want someone who is willing to put effort into his weight loss because it's really unhealthy for Elroy, and he's really not in, isn't good for his quality of life. But other than that stuff, he's a wonderful dog. Going to make a great family dog. He could lose that weight with some effort on your part. Maybe you're looking for a weight loss partner, someone to go exercising with every day and just kind of have an easygoing weight loss plan. So come meet Elroy. He deserves a new home, someone that wants to put some time into him.
And what is glucosamine?
It's actually the same thing humans take when they have like joint pains. It's like a lubricant for your joints, and it just makes it easier and less painful and for him to get up and down. Oh, there he goes.
Where are you going, handsome? Oh, hang on, buddy boy.
Maybe they want to see how large he is.
Okay. Well, okay, I'm going to pet you in a minute. Go see Lorena. There you go.
You can see he's a really nice dog. And it really won't take much for him to lose weight, just a little bit of effort.
Let me see a cute face. Yeah. Want to walk around a little bit?
He's tired.
You're tired?
6 walks today.
Oh, 6 walks. That's good.